Hey, this is Taylor Grant with Bellator Claims Resolution. I'm here to talk to you about something completely different than the denial of the day. I'm sure you guys have gotten used to me showing the denial of the day and talking about clients who they have felt have gotten screwed by their insurance company. This one is a little bit different. Today I'm going to talk to you about social media and insurance claims. So, let me just say this. If you're working on an insurance claim, I would not post anything about that claim or any relevant or relative information regarding that claim on social media. Don't do it. I know you want to piss and moan. I know you want to complain. I know you hate the insurance company usually at this point where you're actually complaining about them or getting on social media to talk about them or writing a bad review online. Don't do it until your claim has been taken care of 100%. Not 98%, not 99%, 100%. Don't do it. I know. Okay, so this is the example that I have. A lady had a pipe burst in her wall and calls out the insurance company. The insurance company denies the claim. She gets on social media, posts a video. It's like 5 or 6 minutes long. And she's a very nice lady, and this is not her intention. And I'm not calling her out on that. I'm just telling you guys what not to do. And basically was explaining the situation and was very emotional and teared up and cried and then laughed and, you know, like kind of went through all the roller coaster of emotions. And then she said something that made me automatically side with the insurance company. Oh no, don't do it. Don't do it. When I side with the insurance company, because sometimes they're right. Don't tell them I said that. But sometimes they're right. And in this case, I would have to side with them because she said this in her video. Well, after we started tearing apart the wall because the pipe burst, we found that there was mold everywhere. And then I felt sick. And then I realized why I had been feeling sick for so many years. And so on and so forth. And in another video in this series, I'm going to talk about what you say can be used against you, and in this specific case, what you say can be used against you from your social media, okay? Have you ever gone through your social media and you're like, I don't even know who that is. No, okay, whatever, I'll like their post. Or they like your post, and you're like, I don't even know who that is. Well, could that be a spy for the insurance company? I don't know. I'm a conspiracy theorist at heart. Don't tell anybody. But sometimes, you just never know who you're friends with or who they're friends with or what your post settings are, especially if you're not good at social media, right? And so, long story short, getting back to it, she had said that. Oh, now I know the reason why I felt so bad and I couldn't breathe for years. Well, if that mold is there and you're in a dry climate, it takes mold a while to grow in walls. A while. I couldn't tell you if it's 2 weeks or 2 years, depending on the situation, okay? But if you start saying, I have felt sick for years, that was not a sudden and immediate explosion that caused that mold. Now, the explosion was sudden and immediate, and I'm sure it caused a whole heck of a lot of issues in the property. However, now the insurance company can look at your social media and be like, well, she said she felt terrible for multiple years and there's mold in the walls, okay? It can be used against you. So don't say anything on social media that you don't want the insurance companies to see. Simple as that. Now, I'm not advocating that you lie to the insurance company because that's fraud. What I'm saying is, and again, in the video where I'll talk about what you say can be used against you, what I'm telling you is unless you are an absolute expert at construction, water damage, fire damage, roof damage, whatever it might be, don't throw your opinions, which might be false and completely wrong, into the mix to screw up what could be something that the insurance company can go off on a tangent and be like, well, she said it. She said that there was mold in the house for multiple years. Obviously, this leak had been going on for multiple years. It wasn't just a sudden leak that now caused this mold. okay? There's other fights that you can do as a consumer regarding the explosion from the pipe and the water. However, you are just making it way more difficult for yourself and anybody like us that gets involved to help you. Remember, I'm with Bellator Claims Resolution, so if you have a claim that you're being denied on or underpaid on, and it is legitimate damage from a storm, from water damage, but it's covered under your policy, contact us today. The sooner you contact us, the better we can help, the more we can teach you. Don't say anything on social media. Don't do it. Once your claim is done, you can talk about the issues that you went through. But again, I would tell you to be very cautious regarding that as well. So, all right, you guys, I don't know if I can talk anymore, so I'm done. But if you have a claim, legitimate damage, covered under your policy, contact us today, bellatorclaims.com.